Here we come to the elevator right near P.F. Chang's on River Road in Tucson. It's a MontgomeryKONE. Door close button works. I like that. Let's watch the numbers going down. Button goes out. Let's see if we have classic leveling. We'll go down here. We'll do our cab view. Here's up the shaft. Here's your interlock. It's a Kone. Here's your sensor right here. Hopefully it doesn't go into nudge mode. Anyways, let's go up. Door close button works. Let's get our cab. Let's get some motor. Very nice elevator. Even though this isn't a shopping center, it runs better than I expected. Let's get a video of this lantern. Oh, let's watch the leveling. No classic leveling. Installed in the late 90s or the early 2000s. And there it goes. And that's it.